Hey, everyone! Have you seen Goggles? She is the jumpiest little sauce box in the whole of Little Pond. Read your word, originally, sticky, squashy, slippy, smelly, jelly, 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 read your word, originally, sticky, squashy, slippy, smelly. Happy on water, happy on mud, I can adapt and land with a thud. Whee! I'm leaping so fast. Don't try to catch up with me, you'll never last. Am I forwards or backwards? Am I sideways or upwards? Am I forwards or backwards? The river runs downwards, ever more and more downwards. Am I onwards or pondwards?
Don't give me a fly in a blue bottle pie, and don't make me squirm on a spaghetti worm. Don't give me a mouse, or a tickly louse, or a slithery snail with a shell for a house. Don't give me a lizard, it will stick in my gizzard, or a hedgery hog rolled up in a bog. Oh, not even an egg whisked up in a nog. Just give me a frog, give me a frog.